All right, focus learners, let's jump right in. Today I'm the explainer. We're taking a walk straight down the drugstore skincare aisle. Look, Olay Regenerist has been a massive, undeniable name in anti-aging for years now. But what actually happens when the so-called gold standard just doesn't quite fit your skin? Well, we're gonna break down the absolute top alternatives structurally and logically so you can walk away with your perfect skincare match. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. First, why even look for alternatives? Second, our selection criteria. Third, matching your skin type. Fourth, what to do before you buy. And finally, number 5, the final verdict. Section 1, why look for alternatives? Let's call this the drugstore dilemma. Now, Olay Regenerist is an absolute giant. It's widely viewed as the drugstore gold standard for hydration, firmness, and getting that youthful, smooth texture we're all constantly after. It tackles multiple concerns at once. But is it really for everyone? Listen, if you've ever tried it and felt totally underwhelmed, or worse, your skin got irritated, you are absolutely not alone. Maybe the cream felt a little too pricey for what it actually delivered, maybe the active ingredients were just too harsh, or honestly, maybe it was just way too heavily fragranced for your liking. Whatever your specific frustration is, it is 100% valid. There are really 3 main reasons people end up ditching that classic red jar. First, a lot of users realize their skin actually needs a much gentler, barrier-focused formula, simply because standard anti-aging creams are causing them redness. Second, some folks actually want more power. They're looking for a stronger, dedicated retinol-based treatment to hit those deep wrinkles. And third, some people just want a simpler, budget-friendly moisturizer that does the basics really well, without paying for all that luxury anti-aging marketing markup. We totally get it. You aren't just looking for better. You're looking for what's better for you.
Section 2, our selection criteria. It is time to establish the rules.
Before we start naming names, we need to establish exactly how we evaluated these alternatives. Here are the 5 strict rules a product had to meet to make the cut today. 1, it actually has to make sense as an Olay replacement functionally. 2, it's gotta be easy to use for everyday buyers. No crazy 10-step routines here. 3, it must offer genuinely good value for your money. 4, it has to be clearly suitable for a specific identifiable skin type. And 5, we demand realistic downsides in safety checks. Because, let's be real, there is no such thing as a magical moisturizer that is perfect in every single situation. Section 3, match your skin type. Welcome to the product matchmaker.
All right, this is where it gets really fun. Pay close attention here and wait for the category that sounds exactly like your skin. First up, now what's really interesting about this is that it's the closest, most recognizable mainstream competitor to Olay. Meet L'Oréal Revitalift Triple Power. If you just want a reliable anti-aging moisturizer from a brand you know without overthinking the whole shebang, this is literally the easiest place to start. It focuses on the exact same heavy hitter concerns as Olay: hydration, wrinkles, firmness, and it uses hyaluronic acid and retinol to get that job done.
Here is your snappy cheat sheet. The ideal user for L'Oréal has normal to dry or mature-looking skin and just wants that highly convenient all-in-one anti-aging cream. But please, notice who should avoid this. If you have very sensitive, easily irritated skin, or if you're already using a separate strong retinol serum, layering this active cream on top could be a total recipe for disaster. But don't worry, if L'Oréal feels like it might be a bit too active for you, our next option is a much smarter play.
Say hello to the CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. Think of this as your practical, steady, gentle barrier support. Instead of chasing that instant, cosmetic glow that those luxury creams promise, this is an absolute workhorse of a night cream. It is loaded with peptides, hyaluronic acid, and essential ceramides. It just works quietly overnight to support and repair your skin barrier. This is practically perfect for dry, normal, or slightly sensitive skin, and it's a total lifesaver for beginners who feel overwhelmed by complex routines. Because it's so focused on barrier health, it pairs brilliantly with other active treatments you might be using. But look at the reality check here. Do not expect this to magically erase deep wrinkles all by itself. It's about long-term health. And speaking of wrinkles, here's where people make the absolute biggest buying mistake in the entire skincare aisle. That mistake is completely misunderstanding retinol. Let's break this down purely based on what it does for you. Retinol is a seriously powerful anti-aging ingredient that targets fine lines and uneven texture. But here are the high stakes. It requires a careful learning curve. If you introduce it too fast, it will cause severe dryness, peeling, and sensitivity. You absolutely cannot just slap it on every single night from day one like a basic lotion. Now, if you are ready for retinol, these are the two major players you need to know about: the RoC Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Night Cream and the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Regenerating Cream. They are both fantastic, but they offer very different approaches to actually getting retinol onto your face.
Let's compare them. RoC Correction is for the buyer who wants a serious, highly focused retinol treatment and is willing to introduce it carefully. Neutrogena is way more approachable. It combines retinol with hydrating hyaluronic acid, making it perfect if you just want a familiar moisturizer that happens to contain retinol. But here is a major pivot for you. Skip both of these entirely if your barrier is compromised, if you're currently peeling, or if you refuse to wear daily sunscreen. Because sometimes the smartest alternative isn't the strongest cream on the shelf. Sometimes it's the calmest.
Enter La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair. This is our definitive top pick for sensitive skin. What's brilliant about this option is that it specifically avoids trying to be a direct, hyped-up anti-aging copycat of Olay. Instead, it's a practical, incredibly barrier-friendly hydration option. If Olay ever felt too rich or way too fragranced, this right here is your safe haven. So the crucial point is that this cream focuses entirely on ceramide 3, niacinamide, and thermal water for pure barrier support and comfort. It is literally designed to calm compromised skin. But here is the trade-off. It's not going to erase fine lines, and it completely lacks the firming claims of Olay. It's about calming things down, not anti-aging hype. Up next, we have the absolute most no-nonsense pick on our entire list. If you are so tired of paying for fancy packaging and clever marketing, meet the ordinary natural moisturizing factors plus HA. This is the ultimate budget basic. This option completely drops the luxury anti-aging hype. It's not trying to look fancy on your counter. It is designed purely to support the skin's natural hydration system, using amino acids, fatty acids, and hyaluronic acid. Why does it work? Because it is uncomplicated, budget-friendly hydration. Using this actually lets you save your money, so you can spend more on high-quality active treatment serums, like a separate vitamin C or dedicated retinol. Now, the trade-off is pretty obvious: no peptides, no retinol, and it definitely lacks that premium cosmetic silky texture you get from Olay. But for a highly practical, basic routine without the crazy price tag, you cannot beat it. Section 4. Before you buy. Consider this your smart buyer's guide. We've matched you with some great categories, but before you hit add to cart, I want you to let this quote sink in. The best option depends less on the product name and more on what your skin actually needs. Skincare marketing is so clever, right? It can be incredibly confusing with buzzwords like renewing, repairing, and firming splashed across every bottle. Let this be your shield against the hype. Stop buying the label and start buying the solution. To make sure you don't waste your hard-earned money, rapidly run through this checklist. First, check the exact version. One cream might have day, night, SPF, and fragrance-free variations. Know what's in the jar. Second, check if it contains retinol, and if it does, start slow. Third, honestly assess your skin type. Fourth, don't get tricked by jar sizes. Always compare the price per ounce or milliliter. Fifth, if you're buying online from a third party, verify they're authentic so you don't get expired junk. And lastly, make sure the new product actually fits into your current routine so you don't accidentally ruin a good thing.
Section 5. The final verdict. Let's find your perfect match.
And this brilliantly illustrates everything we've talked about today. Here is your ultimate cheat sheet. If your biggest need is just a general anti-aging mainstream cream, L'Oréal Revitalift Triple Power is your winner. If you just need hydration and gentle barrier support, grab CeraVe or La Roche-Posay. If you want a serious wrinkle and texture focus, RoC or Neutrogena are your go-to options, but handle them with care. And if you're on a tight budget and just need simple hydration, The Ordinary is your absolute best bet. And hey, since these are widely available drugstore brands, don't overpay for the hype. Wait for a good discount. Which leaves us with one final, absolutely crucial question for you to ask yourself right now. I want you to look in the mirror. So what does your skin actually need today? I challenge you to honestly evaluate your own face and your daily routine before you ever step foot in the drugstore or load up your online cart again. Stop chasing the perfect brand